Are you still making duvets the traditional way? The Get On Again DUX automatic duvet sewing machine. With a 2.6 by 2.6 meter large sewing area, automatically making diverse down-filled duvet in one machine. It supports Baffle box tape sewing for heavy duvet, soon through duvet quilting for lightweight duvet, and duvet case seam quilting. One machine, all solutions. For baffle widths from 2 to 7 centimeters, it automatically positions, feeds, sews, and cuts the tape. The sewing head lifts and rotates any direction freely, with precise stitch length control and unlimited pattern capability. Engineered with unique downproof stitching technology, using ultrafine needles with sizes number 7 to 10, and precision positioning. Paired with a fully automatic loading table and a light box, it ensures stable, high-quality continuous production of sew-through type duvets. Get On Again DUX series redefining the standard for duvet sewing.